We'll guide you through how to fix a video or videos not playing on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying, so let's go and get started. The first two methods in this video are more focusing if it's a singular video, and at the end I'll show you what to do if loads or if not all videos are not playing. So if it's just one, what you want to do is go and open it up like so. You can see this is playing, but if it isn't in your case, click on the edit in the top right. Then all you want to do is come to this bottom bar here, and you want to go and slightly trim the video. So you can come to the end or the start. If you hold this bar, you can adjust it. So I could adjust it by a really minimal amount. So it's barely even a second I've lost there. Then press done in the top right, and you can click on save video as new clip. So it will then go and be saved. If I now come to the bottom here, we've got a new version of it, and open it up and go and see if it will now go and play. If that still isn't working, then what you could try doing is sending the video to yourself. I've seen some people say this solved their problem. You could click on the share button in the bottom left, click on messages or another platform, and you can then go and type in your own email or number here. Here's the video I sent to myself, and then what you could do is hold your finger on it and you could go and click on save. And then the video will go and be saved. It means you don't have to go and trim it. So go and see if that solves your problem. You can open up photos and then there it is. And last of all, if it still isn't working or all videos aren't playing, then what you can do is try doing a forced restart. Press the increase volume, the decrease, and then hold down the power button. You'll see this screen here. Just continue to hold it until you see the Apple logo. Your phone will go black as well, but keep holding. When the phone starts again, now go and see if videos will go and play. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.